Hello, my name is Cryptic and today we are going to start a new project in Premiere Pro. Where's the source video? It's there, it's one I edited earlier, and yeah, we're going to create a vertical video. It's like really easy. Let's just check. There it is, a bit of session gameplay. Nice. So we go to sequence settings. Mine is 1920 by 1080. All we're going to do, flip and reverse them, 1080. 1920. Click OK. OK to that. Boom, look at that. It's now a vertical video. Easy. We can double click the video and just drag it out like that. And then you've got full. Look at that. That's it. That's all you need to know. But I'm just going to go a little bit further because I like to add stuff to mine. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to bring it back down a bit in size, drag it down because I'm going to stick something near the top. That'll probably do. Right, I'm going to bring over my GT Omega logo because I am a GT Omega partner. Fun little fact for you, and the chairs are very comfy, and you can use my code Cryptic to save 5%. Which is what I will let the viewers know right now. Type. Clickety click. Type. Then we'll just resize that. About there, that'll do. Stick that on there. Quick advert. Yeah! Yeah, I really do love my GT Omega chair. And my desk. And my giant mouse mat. So anyway, we drag that over like that, fill out the whole video with it. Video transitions, dissolve and dip to black, because I always do this on my videos. And if I don't do it to these, well, the logo and text just kind of stay there like that before the video starts. So if I do it to them, it should hopefully blend together nicely. Yeah, see? Look at that. Couldn't even tell, could you? And just quick watch through, make sure that it's all okay. Tum to tum. It's not very long, so it's alright. Food's ready. That's always good. Quick file. What we're doing, we're exporting media. Control M if you like, it's a lot easier than that. Next, click export. And that's it, you're done. Your video will go wherever you choose it to save. Mine's desktop. There you go. Upload it to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Reels, whatever young people do. I've been Cryptic. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.